Hey Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 33, and we're diving deeper into web development with Flask. In this video, we'll cover form handling and user input validation, using templates to render dynamic content, and implementing CRUD operations. Let's get started. Handling forms and validating user input are essential parts of web development. Let's start by creating a form and handling its submission. First, make sure you have Flask installed. You can install it using pip. Once Flask is installed, create a new file called a pp.py. Open a pp.py in your text editor and add the following code. This code sets up a basic Flask application with a form handling route. If the form is submitted with an empty name, it displays an error message. Otherwise, it greets the user by name. Now, run your Flask application and open your web browser to http://127.0.0.1:5000. You should see the form, and when you submit it, it either greets you or shows an error if the input is empty. Next, let's use templates to render dynamic content. Flask uses Jinja2 for templating, allowing us to create reusable and dynamic HTML files. We already have an index.html template. Let's create another route that displays a list of items dynamically. Now, create a new template file called items.html in the templates folder. This template renders a list of items passed from the Flask application. When you navigate to http://127.0.0.1:5000 items, you'll see the list displayed dynamically. Finally, let's implement CRUD operations: create, read, update, and delete. These operations are the backbone of most web applications. We'll use a simple list to store our data for this example. Here's how to implement basic CRUD operations. Here's how it works. The home route displays the list of items. The add route handles form submissions to add new items. The delete route removes an item by its index. Now, you can add items to the list and delete them using the provided links. When you navigate to http://127.0.0.1:5000, you'll see the form and the dynamic list of items with delete links. And that's a wrap for day 33 of our 100 Days of Python series. Today, we handled forms and user input validation, rendered dynamic content using templates, and implemented basic CRUD operations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 34. Keep coding and happy learning.